Paragraph 6. How much of our national effort is spent as wasted energy and acquired with money? Maybe 2 trillion a year is spent or gone. It could be more, or it could be less, but the heat is going mostly straight into the atmosphere, and while it could be used to heat our homes and buildings, how much gasoline do we put in our cars? At least 2/3 of that is discarded as waste heat when burning as transportation fuel. Why do we dig/mine/drill for it when we can grow it when the sun is shining and the weather is warm? What about cars? Cars can be better, faster, simpler, and cheaper, but we like engines, not motors, to pound us down over crowded roads. Methane is clean and can be converted to electric or pneumatic power, which is about as clean as can be had, and from generating electric power with methane using a liquid-cooled power plant next to or inside your home. This way the waste heat can be saved and not discarded with exhaust gas and engine cooling. Methane has been in use for stoves and ovens for as long as I have been around. Methane and biogas is the same molecule that exists as a gas at normal temperatures and atmospheric pressure. It comes pipeline to homes and metered safely. For heating and cooking, it is the safest gas to use. It might be safer than liquid fuel for driving, especially as driving become a cyber function, with crashing and burning becoming near to unknown. It seems like its biggest difficulty is that it's difficult to compress and store. Being that we have modern technology and material, this has been overcome, and further invention will make it better. Everyone who loves money is trying to sell a centralizing big money solution, like sending wind-generated electricity 2K miles. Wind power seems good, but it might take a larger portion of personal income than the present way. What we need is simpler solutions that are not centrally controlled by big money interests. We need solutions that are locally not rich person or hierarchically controlled. We need energy and growing solutions that individuals and groups can work within their own living space. When we are asked where food comes from, we should be able to answer not "It's from the store," but "we produced it ourselves in/on our many farms/back and front yards." We should be able to say energy comes from the sun, but we capture it from our roofs and backyards. Most folks have totally abandoned their working farm roots for the drudgery of factory options. We have abandoned our natural energy use options for excluding fossil energy options. It is similar to a religion that believes 2/3 stupid stuff with their dysfunctional/hierarchical sense of God that makes them walk, talk, and process information like broken stick figures. What we need to do as a society is something that cannot be stolen away by the irresponsible people who are on George Bush's evil/dark side of getting excessively expensive stuff.